Hello everyone. Now I'm packing for going home. I'm packing things. Our happy moments is already comes to the end. And at the end, I hope to come here again because it's a nice place. But today I'm packing my things. We are going to fly to Norway, and from Norway I'm going home to Sweden. And yeah, this is my bag to the cabin, and this one is in the cabin, hand carry. And this one, my first time to have euro, so it's a euro inside these little things. My first time to hold euro bill. And this one, it's a bag for pasalubong. I teach my sister-in-law or my family extended in Norway. That's my companion to come here in La Senia. La Senia, Spain. We have Spider-Man for my youngest nephew, and this hat, or what do you call this one? We call it in Swedish keps. I don't know in Tagalog. Kalo, my friend from Cebu called it kalo. And that one, for my nephews and nieces, cousin. Under this, it's also wines, red wine and white, blanco vino, and red wine. So I hope it will not pass for 23 kilos. So that is for my nephew and nieces. I have only one nephew in Norway. I have many in the Philippines. So yeah, I'm going home to my family in Norway first, and then flying to going home from Norway to Sweden. So that is here, it's inside the bag is things for my youngest niece. I have 3 nieces or niece. I just mixing up Swedish and English now. Yeah, this is my mess for today. Packing for tomorrow's flight to Norway. And this is my table or lamp. So these are my things, preparing for my things, and this is my clothes, and a little bit whiskey, because whiskey and alcohol here in Spain is very cheap, so I have to buy for my own. That's whiskey. And things here, that are my things. So I have oh, I'm sorry, I just will wake up, so I don't know what I'm saying now. I have four. Two hand carry and two luggages or luggages. Sorry, I forgot my English. I'm not good in English, not good in Swedish, not good in Tagalog either. I just mix them up. And a little bit Norwegian language. So yeah, this is for after 1 month vacation, then going home. Home to Sweden. I hope that by June 17 I will be already in Sweden. I hope so. Not stuck with my family in Norway, because my mother and father and my brother is in Norway right now. They have 3 months vacation from the Philippines, so I have to meet them before I go home to Sweden and deliver this pasalubong. What else I can say? Yeah, I will say bye-bye for now till the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.